Hey there, I am Modi. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting journey ahead as we dive into the incredible history of aircraft. From the earliest dreams of flight to the advanced technology of modern planes, this story is nothing short of awe-inspiring. Also, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe to show us your support. So, buckle up, and let's take off into the skies of history. The history of aircraft is a fascinating journey through human innovation and technological advancement. It has transformed the way we travel, conduct warfare, explore the world, and connect with one another. The earliest concepts of flight date back to ancient civilizations like China, where they used kites soared through the skies, demonstrating the possibilities of lifting heavier than air objects. In the 15th century, the genius Leonardo da Vinci sketched designs for flying machines that were ahead of his time. Although his creations were never built, they laid the groundwork for future aviation. Fast forward to the late 18th century, when the Montgolfier brothers, Joseph Michel and Jacques Etienne, introduced hot air balloons, marking humanity's first controlled flights. Their first public demonstration occurred in France in 1783. But the true turning point came in the early 20th century when two bicycle mechanics from Ohio, Orville and Wilbur Wright, achieved powered, controlled, and sustained flight in Kitty Hawk, North Carolina. On December 17, 1903, they made history, giving birth to modern aviation. World War I saw significant advancements in aircraft technology. Fighter planes and bombers played crucial roles in the conflict, contributing to the rapid evolution of aviation. The 1920s and 1930s marked the golden age of aviation. This era witnessed pioneering aviators like Charles Lindbergh, who made the first solo non-stop transatlantic flight in 1927. Commercial aviation also began to take shape during this period. World War II led to rapid advancements in aircraft technology, with the development of faster and more powerful planes like the P-51 Mustang and the introduction of jet engines. After World War II, the jet age began with the introduction of jet airliners. The Boeing 707 and the de Havilland Comet were among the first commercial jetliners. The space race between the United States and the Soviet Union led to the development of rockets and spacecraft, pushing the boundaries of human flight. The Concorde, a supersonic passenger jet, also became operational during this period. Advances in aviation technology have continued, with the development of modern commercial aircraft, such as the Boeing 747, 787, and Airbus A380. The exploration of Mars and the development of private spaceflight companies like SpaceX represent the latest frontiers in aviation and aerospace. Drones, or UAVs, have become integral in various fields, from military surveillance to aerial photography. There is a growing emphasis on developing more environmentally friendly and energy-efficient aircraft. Electric aircraft and alternative propulsion systems are under development to reduce the environmental impact of aviation. The history of aircraft is marked by a continuous quest for innovation, safety, and efficiency. It has profoundly impacted transportation, commerce, and the exploration of both our planet and the universe. Advances in materials, propulsion, and design continue to shape the future of aviation. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And, of course, hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss another fascinating video. Until next time, stay happy, bye bye.